Well, hello again, Internet. Corinne here, and it's that time of year again, Halloween! And today, I'm doing a very special basic witch edition of Halloween Pinsplosion. Everything has to be over the top because it's Halloween. I just love this time of year, and I have so many good projects that I've been wanting to try out, so let's get started, shall we? Our first project of the day will be a pumpkin spiced chai tea latte. Now you may recall I've done a pumpkin spiced latte before, but coffee is like 2015, man. This year, it's all about the tea. The tea has been hot lately. Woo! I will be spicing it up a little bit by making my own cinnamon stencil. Trace around your mug here so your pumpkin isn't too big for that mug. Oh, no. All right. Yes, next step is to wash the mug you traced around. Okay. Now we draw a pumpkin. Jeez, it's really hard to draw with these things. Why am I so bad at drawing? Let's make it a little rounder. Yeah, that looks like a pumpkin. Ah! That really hurt. All right, Rob over here. All right, the stem's a little harder. Sheet-a-low. There we go, there we go. Oh, look at that. What? All right, looking good so far, team. Of course, there's no water in here. Dun, dun, dun. Yeah. All right, we gotta wait for this to boil, and then we steep the tea for a new me. So the beauty of this is that I was going to mix together all of these spices that make up so-called pumpkin spice, and this tea has nearly all of them in it. I think the only thing that's missing is clove and allspice. Allspice is pretty nice. So the plan is to steep a very strong infusion of this tea. Steep, my little child. Oh, and don't forget the sweetener, very important. That's delicious. I'm going to mix about a tablespoon of this with some milk into this little container and froth it up. That was a terrible frothing job, but we're gonna have ourselves a piping hot cup of tea. Feel like a chai tea latte doesn't normally have any latte art on it, but we're still gonna try. Dun, 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 dun. What? I mean, it's a shape. It kind of looks like a pumpkin. I can do latte art now. What? I don't care what you say, haters. Not only is my latte art on point, but basic witches love themselves some pumpkin spice shit. Cheers. Oh. Happy Halloween. Corinne versus chai tea latte, on the other hand, might need some work. Not undrinkable, but could be a tad more sweet. Kinda like me. This thing has held up well over time, hasn't it? First person to comment what year this was made wins my undying love and respect. Next up is one of those projects that I look at and say, that is genius. It's easy, it's effective, it's cute, and it lights up. Ladies and gentlemen, Pinterest legend, jack-o'-lantern ping pong light strand. Yes. I can't believe I haven't made this yet. Let's get to it. So what you're gonna need is a bunch of orange ping pong balls, a Sharpie, a strand of lights, and an X-Acto blade. Better keep that exact or you're gonna cut your finger off. Well, those triangles look a little too perfect. Seems like they used a stencil or something like that. And see how there's only one with a nose? Yeah, I knows what you're up to. So a little ping pong ball anatomy for you. There's a seam. You can kind of seam it right now. I'm thinking it's best not to cut it on the seam. I'm gonna cut a little X right here, and then it should fit right on your little light socket, and hopefully it doesn't socket. Okay. Let's see if that's big enough for the light. Oh, this is awesome. I feel like I need a container to keep them all in. Oh, calm down there, buddy. Don't worry, you guys. I won't cut myself like Rob does. Oh, shit. Oh, it's bad. It's bad, you guys. Just kidding. Happy Halloween. You know all that shit's fake, right? Just like the Jake Paul videos. A good telltale sign is that fake blood stains your fingers off, you damn spots. My precious. Actually, these look like devil hands right now. Sign away your soul to me, child. Oh wait, can't do it till you're 18. The faces on my balls are gonna be simple as shit. Kinda like doing my eyebrows. I can't get them to match. Looks a little sad. Oh, I'm sad. They all have their own unique personality. We did it. 25 tiny pumpkin heads. Check. So before you put all your little thingies on these little thingies, you should check this thingy first. It'd be really sad if it didn't work. What? Happy Halloween, Christine. You beautiful witch. I get why you're all holosexuals. This is pretty cute. Okay. It works! Okay, you definitely always need to use the green strand of lights if you're doing this project, because then it looks like pumpkin vines. It's so cool! R.I.P. Vine though. Why'd you send all the people to YouTube, Vine? Just kidding. Here we go. It's like a weird lobotomy. Oh, it works so well. Yes. Eep. It's the cutest thing I've ever seen. It really is hard to make them all go in the same direction. Maybe. It's really scary sometimes to stick them on there because it sounds like the light is breaking. But overall, it works pretty well. And I am not mad at the outcome. Look how cute this is. Jack-o'-lantern string lights for the win. For my next trick, pin, these black cat pumpkins that every basic witch needs on their porch. I love a pumpkin patch. All right, I need some small ones for the feet, okay, and then a gourd for the tail. Oh yeah, I think we're gourd to go. I can't get it.
Really?
Thank you.
Okay.
Can you carry those for me?
Yeah, obviously.
Thanks. We got our pumpkins home safe and sound. Are you excited?
That's me shaking the camera, yes.
And now all I have to do is carve all the goop out of this one. It's like a horror movie. Ah! Ah! Oh yeah. Woo! Look at that. Ah! Oh. I'm gonna use this big scoop here to get all the goop. A scoop for the goop. Goop scoop, if you will. People with long nails, I don't think are supposed to be doing these kinds of projects. I feel so helpless. Is this what Christine feels like all the time? Just here on a fine autumn afternoon, carving some pumpkins. This should be the thumbnail. Alrighty then, this is the concept here. Wow.
Oh, that's clever. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Does this look like our cat?
Already, yeah. No, it's crazy. The resemblance.
Like it, right? And then you also have to create some ear slits. Kind of just cut a little bit into the pumpkin. Like that. I think over here more actually. Yeah. These are gonna be our cat's paws, but they go upside down, so you gotta shave this off a little. Shave off the tip.
Nip the tip.
So we're gonna use this thing, hopefully. Whoa. You gotta use your knife for this, apparently. It's such a knife day, isn't it? Now we're gonna cut out our eyeballs. This thing's pretty badass. Much better than our little pumpkin carving kit. I got it. Wow. Look at that. Huh? Perfectly cut.
Whoa, whoa, finger in that hole there. Watch out. That's it?
And then you do the little ear slits.
Whoa, whoa.
That's one thick slit, huh?
That's classy. Pizza cardboard, huh?
We're gonna use this for the ears. Hopefully it doesn't rain on the pumpkin. Like, why can't I even draw a triangle? We want our ears to be symmetrical, so I'm gonna use this ear. Trace it.
Wow, you really know how to arts.
You really know how to farts. Okay. Go with the horn. Oh yeah, perfect fit.
Sweet.
It's not too shabby of a tabby. Meow. It could be my new best friend. When you can't buy friends, you make them. Gotta protect our beautiful nails. Christine would be so proud. All right, time for the spray paint.
What's happening right now?
I can't get it off. See, it's hard. Yeah, whatever. This is the butthole of the cat.
Oh yeah, there it is.
Hey, that's not very nice.
What?
Ah! You might want to wear a face mask when you do this.
Taking it back to your old graffiti days in high school. What was your tag?
Cat lady.
Oh yeah. Oh wow. I see what you're doing, man. This video just got demonetized. Holy shit. Pumpkin tits. Can I call you pumpkin tits from now on?
I don't know about that.
Hey, what's up there, pumpkin tits? Now they're pumpkin balls. Huh?
We did it.
Somebody inhaled a little too much spray paint.
What? Alright, now I just have to wait until it gets dark out and then put a little LED light in the head area and we will have black cat pumpkin magic. Someone's jealous of the cat pumpkin. Yes, the witching hour is upon us. Incendio. Super spoopy. Oh, and if you're not that proficient in magic, you can just use an LED tea light. Yeah, Corinne versus Black Cat Pumpkin? Check. It's just me. Very puffed up.
Yeah. Oh wow, this is disturbing.
Well, I guess that just about does it for this video. As always, make sure to subscribe, hit that like button, and I'll see you next time.
Be sure that you subscribe over here. Maybe click a video over here to watch more if this is what you want to see. Okay, that's it. Okay. Oh, all right.